Wait now.
So I went over and yelled.
Her name is
Hi.
Nikki.
So I don't want to see you guys doing anything. What are you doing over there? Come on over here. Get in there. Are you kidding? Oh, making faces. Pull her hat back a little bit. There.
What's that tone?
You got it!
Third. Let it go, gentlemen.
Third? You're standing on second base.
Standing on second at the time of the pitch. Oh no, of course it's at the time of the pitch. Get the ball. Got it.
Pitch.
Eddie, come on, come through, buddy.
All right, come on, Eddie. Keep it going now. Come on, Eddie, we need to run.
Tommy, bring him around. Nice.
Keep going, keep going. You got it, you got it. Watch the ball.
Pass the ball. Yeah! All right, big run. Home run.
Way to dig it, Eddie. Nice wheel. Heads up, Eddie. Heads up, Eddie.
Oh, that's 3 freebies.
Heads up, Eddie. Nice play.
How did he get in?
Went into the bench.
Come on, Ross. Right.
One of my famous ground drivers.
Tough one, Russ. Run it out, run it out. That's the
All right, we got some bats. Hold him.
Hold him now. Tommy backs up third.
Both teams were happy. Come on, Rick.
Come on, let's go. We know we can hit this guy the same way. We're the same way. Come on, down like last time.
Come on, Rick, just like last time. Come on, Jer.
Keep a nice arch on it, Bob. Yeah, that's the one. Yeah, we don't want it in the air. All right, come on now, guys. 1, 2, 3. Let's get them.
Something going.
Nice arch on it. Nice arch on it. Right back at you, Kier. Swing, swing.
There you go.
On 2.
Come on, Harry.
Come on, Harry. Hey, Matt. All right. Harry gets on, you run for him, Matt. What is that, an outside? All right, way to go, you guys.
I fell asleep.
Okay, let's go, guys.
No wonder you won that one point shorter.
All right, Walt. All right, you're in. That's it. All right, 1B.
Let's go, Gary.
The shots, you guys. We scored 9 with shots.
What happened?
I went down the steps.
Gary.
Right on the screen. Daddy can't pick you up.
Mama can't go up and down the
Come on, Gary.
Nice shot.
All right, Gary. All right, Walker, way to go. That's the way, Gary. Make him watch you. Make him watch you. Good wheels, Walt. Good wheels. Hey, come on, that's the way, Bobber. Heads up. Nobody out.
Nobody out there.
Heads up now.
Watch the shots, Gary.
All right, Bobby, way to watch him.
Yeah.
Get the lights on.
They didn't say nothing. Sunny and 70
Last night I heard.
You're talking about Dave. Come on, Dave.
Whoa, Dave.
Yeah, he says I might, if I recover quick, I might be able to swim it back. I won't be able to throw until next year, maybe not even that.
We're ready.
Do it.
Tommy, come on, you ready?
Oh, Tamari's pitching! Oh! Balloon balls coming in!
Ball. Ball. Never enough. So come on, put up 2 hands. What's this big monkey? Jimmy, my hand to get lost in that.
All right, come on, Russ.
Go, Russ. That's 2 we go. That's 2 we go.
Mark that mustache in a picture.
That hit the wind and rolling. That was it.
Right here, Eddie. That's what I wanted.
Yeah, he was.
Gotta get this one. Alright.
Come on, Russ. Come on, Russ.
Eddie, my ball. Up here now. Yeah.
That's it. That's the way. That's the way. Hold it.
Go out there.
Walt. 1 or 2 steps.
Because she's a little puppy.
Every time she sees people, she shouldn't see a long time. She gets scared a while. There's no water there. Hi, Grandma. Hello.
Come on, 9 minutes. 9 minutes, JJ.
You know what? You know what, Mommy? I saw other ladies.
John, you go say hi to the camera. See the camera? Wait, hi. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
Rain out.
Hi.
Say
4.
How old are you?
4.
4.
Say 12.
His grandma pinching you again. Grandma, don't pinch me.
Test.